Some prints may look harmless on the hanger, but when worn, they can turn our elegance into something entirely different from what we envisioned. It's like that iconic scene in Pretty Woman, where Vivian Ward swaps out unflattering outfits for a stunning red dress. The transformation was so powerful it completely redefined how she was perceived. Here's the challenge we face today. Certain prints that don't flatter women over 60 can age you, distort your silhouette, or simply appear outdated. They carry the weight of choices that may no longer represent the woman you are today, brimming with experience, style, and confidence. But it doesn't have to be this way. The good news is that there's a solution. There are patterns that honor your elegance and enhance it. How? By focusing on the right proportions, colors that brighten, and designs that embrace your current essence. Do you want to know which prints to avoid, which to choose, and how to wear them to look even more amazing? Stick with me, because this is the secret that turns fashion into a true ally. And don't worry, if you prefer watching the video in another language, YouTube adjusts automatically. If it's in English, enjoy with subtitles in your language, or choose dubbing in one of the 10 available languages. And there's more. In the first pinned comment, I've included links to elegant pieces that can transform your wardrobe. Elegance is also about knowing where to invest, and there you'll find some of my top recommendations. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a like. If you want to turn your elegance into something truly rewarding, this is the first step. Let's tackle today's challenge together. Prints that don't do justice to your true beauty. 1. Animal prints. When wild goes out of control. Animal prints have a timeless appeal. Who doesn't remember the iconic Cruella de Vil in 101 Dalmatians? Her bold look made a statement of power but also carried a weight. Excess. That's what happens with overly flashy prints. They shift from striking to over the top in a matter of seconds. Fashion statistics reveal that sales of animal print pieces have increased by 40% in recent years, especially among older women seeking a modern look. However, when these prints are neon or cover an entire piece, the intention of elegance can quickly be compromised. The result is an overwhelming outfit that seems to wear you, rather than the other way around. But there's a solution to this dilemma. Think about how strategic use of prints can completely transform a look. Animal prints presented in neutral tones bring balance and sophistication to an outfit. A leopard blazer in black and beige, for instance, creates a visually appealing combination that draws attention harmoniously without going overboard. The secret is moderation. A leopard scarf, a zebra-accented bag, or even a discreet pair of shoes with animal details can elevate your look without overwhelming it. This approach not only highlights the beauty of the print, but also ensures you remain in control of your style narrative. Why get lost in excess when the charm lies in balance? 2. Tropical prints. When nature goes overboard. Tropical prints are like an invitation to your dream vacation. Vibrant, cheerful, and full of personality. However, just like an overstuffed suitcase for a trip, when these prints include too many elements, flowers, leaves, birds, fruits all at once, the charm is lost and the look becomes heavy. This reflects what the psychology of colors and patterns tells us. Studies show that prints with excessive details can create a sense of visual clutter, drawing attention away from the overall look and making the silhouette less defined. It's like gazing at a stunning landscape, but not being able to pinpoint what truly captures your attention. The solution is simplification. Opting for tropical prints with just one or two main elements, such as palm leaves or larger flowers, creates harmony and prevents the outfit from appearing overcrowded. Picture a dress with green foliage on a white background. It conveys freshness and lightness, highlighting the natural beauty of the composition without overwhelming. What about accessories? They should act as complements, not competitors. Natural materials like neutral-toned leather bags or straw hats pair elegantly with the tropical theme without stealing the spotlight. Nature is inherently exuberant, but in your wardrobe, less can definitely be more. Why not let one standout detail shine instead of overwhelming everything? 3. High contrast prints. When bold turns into clash. Vibrant, contrasting colors have the power to grab attention. But when the contrast is too intense, like bright red paired with neon yellow or other jarring combinations, the effect can backfire. Instead of enhancing your beauty, these colors compete with each other, resulting in a heavy and disorganized look. It's like an orchestra where every instrument plays loudly but without harmony. Research in color psychology shows that highly contrasting combinations can draw attention away from your natural facial features and even alter the perception of your proportions. The result? An outfit that stands out more for its chaos than its beauty. The solution is to aim for balance. Harmonious color palettes with soft tones like pastels or monochromatic variations create a smoother transition between pieces, enhancing the silhouette and brightening the face. For example, a blouse with delicate flowers on a neutral background not only softens the look but also accentuates the natural elegance of the wearer. And if you love a pop of vibrant color, you can incorporate bold tones sparingly, such as in accessories or subtle patterns on secondary pieces. This way, the contrast works in your favor, elevating the outfit without overpowering it. Intense colors are captivating, but balance is what transforms an ordinary outfit into one that truly highlights who you are. Fashion should never outshine your presence. It should amplify it. 4. Small polka dots. When retro loses its magic. Polka dots always evoke classic charm. They take us back to glamorous times full of romance and delicacy. However, when the dots are too small and repetitive, what should be a delightful detail can quickly turn into a problem. These tiny patterns create a visual effect that not only tires the eyes but can also come across as childish or outdated. This happens because the human brain naturally seeks balance and visual simplicity. Overly repetitive, diminutive patterns may be perceived as noise, distracting from more important elements like your expression or the overall harmony of your look. The key lies in scale. Larger, more spaced-out polka dots bring the balance needed to turn the pattern into something attractive and timeless. Picture a flowing dress with medium-sized white polka dots on a black background. It merges the classic charm of polka dots with a modern, clean approach that doesn't overwhelm the style. As for accessories, opt for understated pieces and elegant shoes to create the perfect contrast, allowing the polka dots to shine without overdoing it. Retro charm is in the details, but balance is what turns this detail into something striking and current. Why cling to the past when you can reinterpret it to highlight the incredible woman you are today? 5. Abstract prints. When art becomes chaos. Abstract prints always carry a sense of creativity and modernity. They have the power to turn a piece into a true work of art. But what happens when the shapes are chaotic and the colors seem to clash? The look loses its harmony, and the positive impact of the print turns into confusion. Studies in visual design show that the human eye is drawn to organized and repetitive patterns. When abstract prints feature irregular shapes and disorganized color combinations, they overwhelm the mind, making it difficult to create a cohesive and flattering outfit. Instead of conveying personality, these pieces can make the overall appearance feel unbalanced. The formula lies in simplicity with purpose. Abstract prints featuring more defined elements such as aligned geometric shapes or softly repeated patterns deliver the same modern touch without visual excess. Imagine a midi skirt with geometric lines and earthy tones. It offers a contemporary vibe and pairs beautifully with a neutral-toned blouse. The best part? This style is versatile. Pair it with understated accessories for a minimalist look or choose a bold detail, like clean-lined earrings, to reinforce the geometric theme. Abstract prints have the potential to showcase your creativity and authenticity. But when chaos takes over, the impact is lost. The secret is to let the print work in your favor, complementing your style, never overpowering it. In fashion, less disorder means more beauty. Now that you know which prints to avoid and how to choose those that truly highlight your essence, one question remains. Is clothing alone enough to build an elegant look? Here's the thing. Many women nail the choice of prints but end up making mistakes with the rest of their outfit, ruining the harmony. Want an example? Combining pieces poorly can entirely shift the focus away from elegance, especially if you don't know how to invest in the right details. That's why I've created another video that can transform your perspective on building an impeccable wardrobe. Discover how influencers pull off luxurious looks on a budget is a practical guide to help you understand how to create impactful outfits while spending less and still radiating style. Think about it. It's great to get the prints right, but why lose the final impact due to a lack of strategy in the rest of your look? Don't let that happen. This video complements what you've learned here and will teach you how to balance everything masterfully. Today we learned that poorly chosen prints can age, flatten the silhouette, or overload the look, but replacing them with more harmonious patterns can completely transform how you present yourself. Now it's time to take the next step. Integrate these choices into an entire wardrobe that works for you. If you want to keep learning, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll get all the tips to help you reach a new level of style. Leave a like if you believe elegance is the key to success, because that's exactly what we're building together here. Elegance that transforms, connects, and becomes profitable. Comment below, prints that always flatter, if you enjoyed this content and are ready to apply it in your daily life. And don't forget to check the first pinned comment for links to amazing pieces that can revolutionize your wardrobe. The right choice can make all the difference.